So I can see the toy. I want the toy. I don't want the paper.
No, that should be cute.
I'm gonna have that in my room tonight playing. I love Lego.
They have Mickey?
What?
Look, Lynn. It's part of, cause he's got that truck.
Oh yeah, he does got that.
Yeah, he's got that truck there.
Look at raccoon. Look at raccoon. So cute.
Yeah.
I don't want the raccoon. No, look at this comfy pants. What's that? What's that?
Oh, hush, hush, hush.
You want to have another one, huh?
Oh,
Right?
It's right there. The gift
I have it.
Oh.
And he was playing with it.
Put it back in there.
Yes.
Hi.
Here, paper. Card, look, card.
He's looking at the baby girl. He's trying to flirt again.
Open it. Are you getting the hang of it now?
I think he is.
Figuring it out? Yeah.
For Christmas, he's going to be ready. Of course, these are all... Oh, here's one that's wrapped.
I rocked it.
Yeah, that's the only one. The rest are all bags. I just got 18 months. Do you think is that big enough, Lynn, or?
Yeah.
Because I've got the receipts if you want to take it back.
See, and that's the thing. Some 18 months looks really big.
I'll give you the receipt, and if it's not, you can get it back. And we got him those little first builders, too. We got those for Brandon, really.
Yeah.
Oh, the block?
Yeah.
Oh, awesome. Thank you. You're like, thank you. Yeah, keep them both entertained.
Yeah.
Keep them both entertained. You can play blocks tomorrow. Look at Daddy.
Oh, he's going to put it back.
I said that inside it. You know, if you're eating decent, go through.
Okay. Ready? Wait for another one? There's a card. What about the card? What about the card? What about the card?
I just noticed that almost half of them have stars.
Yeah, and they're all different cards, though.
I know.
Who's that for sure?
Did we pull the onions off the stove?
I didn't. I'm going back in there.
Lynn, did we pull the onions off the stove?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, hey, no.
We would know by now.
Look, pajamas! Pajamas!
Yay! Oh, comfy pajamas.
Awesome!
Do they have the feet?
Yeah, we got these.
All right. You can go running and sliding across the floor.
Hold that. Hold that. No? Hold it. No? Oh, okay. You just don't want to have nothing to do with that. Oh, look. We got another pair of pajamas. Oh, uh-oh. But Daddy's gonna love these. They have overalls. How cute. Overalls.
Yeah, my kids did too.
Find a big bag and you can sit in it. You want the envelope? He just likes taking everything out of everything. It doesn't matter if it's a bowl or a bag. Thank you for emptying it out. You gonna put it back in? Absolutely, yeah. Okay, thank you. Thank you for helping. There.